With ZoomSphere Workflow Manager, you can create a clear visual process that helps you and your team, and even your clients or managers, stay on the same page. Everything happens in one place: ideas, tasks, files, feedback, and approvals. What is Workflow Manager? Workflow Manager is a visual board that uses columns and cards to show your process step by step. Each column represents a stage, like to-do or client review, and each card is a piece of content, like an Instagram post, blog article, or campaign task. You can add texts, checklists, images, and attachments to cards, assign teammates or clients, set deadlines and track progress, tag people in comments with automatic email and bell notifications, move cards across columns as the task progresses. It's flexible, simple, and works for any team, from content to product, HR, PPC, and more. Here's how you can organize your board to manage the content approval process. First, to do. Add cards for new content ideas. Use the description to write the plan, add details, or paste in screenshots and visuals. Add labels like Instagram, Story, Reel, or Urgent. Set a deadline and assign the right person. Second, internal review. Team members check the content. Leave feedback as comment. Use checklists for tasks like add CTA or update visuals. Third, client or manager review. Move the card when it's ready for approval. Mention them with add and their name. They will get an email plus bell notification. The client or manager can leave feedback right inside the card. No need to export or email anything. 4. Final edits. Make changes based on the feedback. Complete the checklist. Mark the card as ready to schedule or publish. The last step: approved and scheduled. Move the card here when the content is finalized and ready to go. If the post has already been created in Scheduler, you can paste the link to the Scheduler post into the card's description or comment in the Workflow Manager. Or add a link to the Workflow Manager card directly into the Scheduler post, post brief, or comment tab. This way, everyone, including clients or managers, can easily track the real post that will be or has been published. It's perfect for quick access, final checks before publishing, keeping documentation in one place, adding images and files. So, you can include visuals in two ways. First, as attached files. Upload images, videos, PDFs, or documents directly from your computer, ZoomSphere files, or Dropbox account, or simply by drag and drop. Second, insert images into the description. Great for screenshots, previews, or visual feedback. Add them via copy and paste, upload, or pull from ZoomSphere files or Dropbox. As a tip, use both. Show a preview in the description and attach the full file below. Commenting and notifications. Mention anyone with @ and their name to get their attention. They'll receive an email and in-app notification. You can use this with teammates or clients, keeping the conversation inside the card. Use the activity log to see exactly who did what and when. Use labels to stay organized. Labels help you filter and sort cards easily. You can create labels like video, Instagram, needs visuals, client, urgent. You can also color code them to make the board easier to scan at one glance. Now, Workflow Manager versus Scheduler. What's the difference? So, use Workflow Manager for planning content ideas, reviewing and approving drafts, collaborating with clients or departments, complex campaign workflows, and use Scheduler for publishing finished posts, assigning exact publishing times and dates, managing editorial calendars, sending final content for publishing. Together, they give you full control from idea to scheduled post. Now, final tips. Start simple. A board with just 3 columns, to do, review, and approved, already makes a huge difference. Invite your clients or leads directly. They can comment on cards and follow progress easily. Add screenshots and visual into description for better clarity. Use checklists to stay on top of changes and approvals.